I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to How To Fridays, and this week we are talking about how to find time for yourself, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. Here are 5 tips on how to find time for yourself. Number 1, you need to want it. You need to want to schedule time for yourself. If you don't want it, you're not going to find the time. It's that simple. Tip number 2, check your need schedule. What I mean by this is everything you do, I don't know if you plan a week ahead or you plan a month ahead. I don't know what kind of a planning you have going on, or if you plan at all. If you don't plan at all, do a week at a time. That's usually the best thing to start off with. Put down everything you need to do within that week, within that month. Every single thing you need to do, not everything you want to do. That's extra. Everything you need to do, like work, chores, meetings, appointments, everything you need to do, and time block it into your schedule. And then in between those schedules that you need to do, that's when you can start to put in everything that you maybe want to do, or that's where you find the time for yourself. That's usually how it works. Just find wiggle room here and there. It's not always going to be at the end of the week on a Sunday evening. Sometimes it's in the middle of the day on a Tuesday. It happens, but it's time for yourself, and you need to check your I need schedule to find that time. Number 3 is schedule the time as a meeting. What do I mean by this? It's that you should schedule your time as if it was a very important meeting that you have to keep. Because if you don't think of yourself and your time spent doing what you love, you as an important meeting, you are just going to be rearranging it more often and saying, oh, I don't have time for it. If it's an important meeting, you're going to keep it and you're going to stick to it. So the time for yourself, keep it as an important meeting that you do not want to miss. Number 4, find what you like to do. Now, not everybody loves to spend that time reading a book or taking a bubble bath or something like that. Find something specifically that you enjoy and that relaxes you. The point about finding time for yourself is doing the things that you love, but that doesn't stress you out. And I'm not saying that you can't go rock climbing if that's what you love. You just shouldn't be doing things that stress you out. So just find something that you love. Maybe it's rock climbing, maybe it's going in the park, maybe going to the library, maybe it's going shopping. I don't know you. You just find what works for you and what you really like. And you can find inspiration from other people, but ultimately, do you. Tip number 5, it doesn't have to be hours. Now, when we say schedule time for yourself, we usually think, oh my gosh, I have to do like a half a day and I don't have time for that. No, sometimes it can just be half an hour, and that is perfectly fine. I don't suggest doing anything less than half an hour. Then that's just called rest. Finding time for yourself, it should be half an hour or more. It can be half a day, it can be a whole day, but it should never be less than half an hour. Because in a half an hour, you can actually do a lot more than you think you can. And as long as it's not something that takes you off location of where you are at that current time, it's definitely something that is achievable. So these are the very 5 easiest tips on how to find time for yourself. And ultimately, you just want to do what you want that makes you happy and that recharges you, because that's ultimately what a me time is. It's whatever recharges you to keep going for that week or for the next month. It is just spending time with yourself, recharging and making yourself happy, taking you from negative batteries to positive. So with that, I want to say if you liked the video, then please leave a like down below. If you have any questions or anything like that, then please leave a comment down below. And if you like more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. My How To Friday videos are posted every Friday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!